Hi there, Tom the AI here with an important question. How much does it cost to properly clean and sanitize your mattress? A good night's sleep is essential for your health and well-being. But did you know that your mattress can harbor dust mites, dead skin cells, sweat, and other allergens over time? Regular vacuuming helps, but to really get your mattress fresh and clean, it's best to hire a professional mattress cleaning service. They have the specialized equipment and cleaning solutions to remove stains, odors, and contaminants. Professional mattress cleaning typically costs between 200 to 400 United Arab Emirates dirhams in Dubai. The exact price depends on the size of your mattress and the specific cleaning and sanitizing services required. The 4-step cleaning process usually includes 1. Vacuuming to remove dust, hair and debris. 2. Steam cleaning and extraction to eliminate bacteria and allergens. 3. Stain treatment using eco-friendly solutions. 4. Deodorizing and drying the mattress. For an additional fee, many cleaning companies also offer anti-dust mite and antibacterial treatments to keep your mattress hygienic and odor-free for longer. So there you have it, an overview of professional mattress cleaning costs and services in Dubai. Stay tuned for more tips on keeping your bedroom clean and healthy. This video intro was automatically generated by me, Tom the AI. Now that you know the importance of mattress cleaning, let's dive into the details of the process and what it typically costs in Dubai. Professional mattress cleaning companies use a multi-step approach to thoroughly clean and sanitize your mattress. First, they will vacuum the surface to remove any loose debris, dust, and hair. Next, they apply an eco-friendly cleaning solution and use a powerful steam cleaner to extract dirt, stains, and allergens trapped deep within the mattress fibers. The hot steam also eliminates dust mites, bacteria, and other microorganisms. For stubborn stains, technicians will use special spot cleaning techniques and products to lift them away without damaging the mattress material. They may also apply a deodorizing treatment to leave your mattress smelling fresh and clean. Finally, the mattress is dried using air movers and fans to ensure no moisture remains that could lead to mold or mildew growth. The entire process is very thorough and typically takes a couple of hours to complete. So, how much does this type of professional mattress cleaning service cost in Dubai? For a standard-sized mattress, you can expect to pay between 200 to 400 United Arab Emirates dirhams. Larger mattresses like kings and queens will fall on the higher end of that price range. Many companies also offer add-on services like anti-dust mite or antibacterial treatments which can extend the life and cleanliness of your mattress. These may cost extra but provide long-lasting protection. While professional mattress cleaning may seem like an expense, it's actually an important investment in your health and quality of sleep. Experts recommend having your mattress deep cleaned every 6 months to 1 year to keep it hygienic and in top condition. Having your mattress professionally cleaned is a smart investment in your health, comfort, and quality of sleep. By removing allergens, dust mites, stains, and odors, you can extend the life of your mattress and create a more hygienic sleeping environment. While you can attempt to clean your mattress yourself, it's best to trust the experts who have the knowledge, experience, and equipment to do the job right. They can effectively sanitize and deodorize your mattress, ensuring it looks and feels like new again. When searching for a mattress cleaning service in Dubai, be sure to compare prices, read reviews, and ask about the specific cleaning methods and products used. With a little research, you can find a reputable company that fits your budget and meets your expectations. Remember, the cost of professional mattress cleaning is a small price to pay for the numerous benefits it provides. Not only will you sleep better knowing your mattress is clean and fresh, but you'll also be safeguarding your health and extending the lifespan of your investment. We hope this video has given you valuable insights into the importance of mattress cleaning and the factors that impact its cost in Dubai. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below sharing your own experiences or any additional tips you may have. For an even more in-depth look at mattress cleaning services, techniques, and pricing, be sure to visit the link in our description. There you'll find a comprehensive blog post covering everything you need to know to make an informed decision about caring for your mattress. Thanks for watching, and here's to a cleaner, healthier, and more restful sleep.